Hey guys, I'm Esther from Eslashes, and in this video, Makenzie from MAKK Spa is going to be sharing with us and showing us all of her tips on caring for lash glue. Now, I was chatting with her and she actually said that when she first became a lash tech, that she ruined a lot of glue bottles, a lot of glue nozzles, and had to waste a lot of glue because she wasn't following all of these tips. So these are all of her tips to keep your lash glue at its best, to keep it its longest, and to save you money, because who wants to be throwing away lash glue? So we're going to get started with her super helpful tips. Now, before we get started, if you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. We have so much good new content coming out every week that's going to help you with your business, help you with your products, help you with your lashing application, everything like that. So guys, let's get started, and MAKK is going to show us all her amazing tips on how to keep your lash glue at its best.
We're going to start by opening the pack of Expert Lash Adhesive by Eslashes. The packet is going to come with your bottle of glue, your pin to open the glue bottle, and a silica packet. We're going to start by taking the bottle of glue and putting a sticker with the date that we opened the bottle of glue on the bottom, so that you can always make sure you have a fresh bottle. Then we're going to take the top off of the glue bottle and get the pin and wiggle it down straight into the glue bottle. Once you have your pin inside the bottle and it's fully secure, you're then going to take your bottle of glue and you're going to shake it. So you don't want to shake it up and down. What you want to do is you want to take it and shake it side to side. You're going to want to make sure to have lint-free wipes on hand. When we go to remove the pin, you're not going to want to take it and pull it straight up. What you're going to want to do is take your pin and kind of wiggle it around from side to side and slowly maneuver it out of the bottle that way. We're going to notice that a little bit of glue is going to come out of the top. We're going to clean that away with the lint-free wipes, and then we're going to go ahead and burp our bottle. So you're going to want to tap the side to get any air bubbles to come up through the nozzle at the top, so that when you put your bottle straight down, you can do a glue drop and clean the nozzle and any air bubbles that come out with it. You can do that once or twice until you can make sure that there is no more air bubbles in the nozzle. To make sure that your glue nozzle stays clean, when you go to put a drop of glue in a glue ring or on a jade stone, you're going to want to make sure that your bottle is straight up and down and not tilted to the side. Then we're going to burp the side of our bottle one more time and wipe it to make sure that there's no excess glue around the opening of the bottle. When you're storing your glue away, you're going to want to make sure that you have an airtight container so you can put your silica packet inside that came with your glue and have a nice clean dry storage for your glue to sit in. Make sure to check the packet that your glue came in to make sure that you're storing your glue properly as well as in the right humidity. For more tips and tricks, follow Eslashes on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you have any questions at all about caring for your lash glue, please let me know in the comments below, and I do answer and read all of those comments so I can get back to you with any questions that you might have.